How to block ads on Facebook. Hello everyone, I'm Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Facebook application on your device first and go straight to your profile. There tap on the settings and privacy option and then on settings. Now tap in your account center and then tap on ads preferences. Here firstly tap on advertisers you have seen. You will be able to see all the advertisers you have seen most recently. Now go ahead and tap on the Hide Ads button one by one manually. Tap on See More and hide those ads too. Once done, go back and now tap on Add Topics. Here select the See Less option and go back and finally tap on Ad Settings and then on Categories used to reach you. Tap on Other Categories and click on the Remove button. I do not have the Remove button since I have not selected any of the categories. Also toggle off all these buttons here, and with this you will be able to block all the ads on your Facebook account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.